one. So this is a result control content management system for basically report cards, and I believe that most schools are actually in need of this. And this is actually what it does. You already know the old way isn't working. Result compilation that usually takes a lot of time. Typing, mistype, spelling, and this CMSEDU, which is a result control management system. Basically, what it does is like it just making it very easy for the teacher to just enter his details, and when he enter his details, that's all. The admin will just be the one to just export the data, and then you get the result of everything. So this is the link to it, result control.netlify.app, and then everything a school needs, nothing doesn't. Built for Nigerian school system, role based, access. You can assign, your course to the teacher, and then if you're the admin, and then the teacher will manage everything there, and then you can export your result in form of Excel sheet. So these are just samples of it. So this is just one. This is just a sample of it, of the exported. I'm going to show you the walkthrough of how everything is. So this is my WhatsApp number. Feel free to chat me up in case of you need enquiries. So now, so if you're interested, you just chat me up on my WhatsApp, and then I'll explain to you how you can be able to set everything up. So for the first time, all you just need to do is that I will give you a code for which you use to register. So your name can maybe as the admin of your school, you just log in. And then after logging in, then you have your details, and then for which you're going to sign in. So now this is a school that I'm currently that has currently got this, and it's really what I'm going to show you, walk through about it. So you just put your email, and then so this is your email, and then you sign in. So now you signing in, this is the place of the admin. This is not the aspect of the teacher. The teacher doesn't need anything here. So you as the admin, this is your dashboard. So you can see Gaskia High School, Jos. This is the name of the school. So if you have your own school name, you can be able to change everything from the settings, but I'm going to show you the walkthrough, and then from there you will get started. So first things first, you see the overview. You start with classes, student, teachers, result export, and that's all. So you click on classes. So when this is the classes, so you have JS1, JS2, JS3, SS1, S2, S3. Okay, so far we have just JSS1 and SS1 science. So if I want to do for JSS2, that will be JSS2, and then the subject. So all you just need to do is to have maybe a list of your subjects. So this is just subjects, so of for which the school does. So all you just need to do, let me bring it down so you see what I'm doing. So this is English. You copy English, paste it, copy the next subject on. Okay, let me just split my screen. Aha, so you copy English, the next subject. Actually type it, so just because of big time, mathematics, you add it. This is for junior class. So Hausa, maybe your school is doing a different course. You add it. Civic education, you copy, you add it, make sure you add it. Then social studies, Control C, you add it. Then creative arts, you add it. So everything is very, very easy. So the admin adds all the subjects that will be taken, PHE, then add it, and then basic science, you add it. Then the next one, basic technology, add it. Home economics, add it. business studies. This is what they're actually doing. Business study, you add it. Computer, you add it too. So depending on what courses your school is taking. So some schools take Yorubas, how Igbo. So we just need to do the admin. So this route is just basically for admin. The teacher doesn't need to know anything about this. It's just for them to just use their own routes and then just enter their details. So now this is it. So after entering all this thing, all we just need to create class. See now, so I've already created JSS 2, 17 subjects. So after creating this, right? So after creating this, so now it's just for me to go to student. You get? So it's just for me to add students. So now if I'm going to add students, so this is for JSS 1. I've already added this for students in JSS 1. So if I'm going to be adding for JSS 2, you just click on JSS 2 and then you add the name of the student. You get? So you add the name of the students and then you enter the number, the exam number, either it's a male or female. So now I'll just add this one. So now there's this student, his name is Joel Palm the Fang. So his examination number is the first student is male and his state of origin is Plateau, and then he's from just south. You get? So after adding this, all I just need to do is to click on what? Add student. I've already added the student, so let me add another student. Her name is Ose Ufa. She's female, and then her number is 002, and she's from Benue State, and then from the local government of Ushongo. Yeah, and then all I just need to do is to click on add students. Very easy. So I will just the students. So depending on the list of students, you can write them in this format and just upload it based on each list. So first list, second list, and then upload it. So now for the teacher. So this is the teacher section. So this is the teacher as the admin. You can actually, maybe there's a teacher that actually teaches English, So you can assign a course to the teacher and then you can create for him a specific, maybe English teacher at this, and then, or his email, collect his email and then give him a temporary password. You can use a number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 so that the teacher can remember. So now, since already all I just need to do is since I want to assign a teacher to it, so maybe name this teacher or basically I don't need to name it, or you can name it. Let me see. Uh, name it. Name. Let me see. Junior. Let me just name it teacher. Yeah, because let me just name the name of the teacher. And then the email is ghs at gmail.com. You get ghs at gmail.com, and then the temporary password name is 891346. This is the password, and then all I just need to do is to select the course, maybe of the teacher, what the teacher is taking. So if the teacher is taking English, I'll select English. Maybe John, his name is John, maybe his email, and then give him a general password, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then select his course, right? So you can select the name of the course the person is taking, and then that's all. So let me see. So let me use, maybe his name is John Peter. The name of the teacher is John Peter. So you can name him John Peter at gmail.com. This is email. So this is password. So maybe the name of the English teacher. So you can assign multiple if it's only maybe the teacher is teaching just 2, JSS 1, JSS 3. But since it's only teaching English, or maybe the teacher might be teaching maybe English and maybe social studies, for example, then I'll create on create teacher. Immediately I create this teacher, you see it here. So teacher account created, John Peter. Give them this login and URL. So now what this means is that since this is already created for John Peter, all you just need to do as the side of the teacher, you use the link. Don't worry, for those who so this is the side of the teacher now. So let me say I'm the teacher. So your school name, and then you just put teacher. So now this is where the teacher will be logging in. So now the teacher, all you just log in with his email that he created for John Peter at gmail.com, and then he'll enter his password that he created for his C789 together, and then you sign in. See, and boom, the teacher is what logged into his work system, and based on the courses he assigned to you, which is JSS2 English and what JSS2 Social Studies. So on the teacher side, all the teacher just need, and there's a percentage of what is going to show him. So since the teacher is an English teacher, all you just need to just click on English JSS2. So when you click on English JSS2, the teacher will be able to see. Yes, so you can see based on the 2 students that we entered for JSS2. So all what you just need to do is to enter the CE. So 5, the person got 5, test 11, 10, exam 24. And this, just this link, you send the route link for the teacher's portal. That's what you just need to send. The teacher will just log in and then click save. I see. So now for the other students, what did the student get? So 5, the person got 5, got 10, got 11, and then what did the person get? 11, and then 5. So and then I see automatically. So this one reduces a lot of errors. So 5, 5, 10, 10, and then 11. So the person got 11 in test, and then exam, what did the person get? The person got 25, and then all you just need to click on save. So when you click on save, all you just need to do is to now come back to your, that's all. Just click on save and then you're done. So at the admin side, what the admin will be seeing, we will just look at the progress. If it's first term, you can be able to see, okay, maybe this teacher, you see this person, John Peter, wow, he has completed this one. That's impressive. Okay, who completed this one? English. Okay, this is a general person, so you can be able to see another John Peter, English, he has completed it. So you can be able to track it here, and then after you're finished tracking it, then there's the place for what result and what export. So the aim of the result and export is basically to export your results. So this for the admin. So there's the JSS1 first term. You can export for first term if you're in the first term, second term, third term. So since we're in JS2, that we just did for JS2, since we are for JS2, all we just need to click on is first term, and then you can enter maybe the ratings as the admin. Okay, this person is punctual, good, very good, carrying out assignment, neatness, self-control, relationship. Okay, you just, and then you can auto generate response, maybe a good way, keep it up, and then you can put 9th July 2026. That's it, and you can just save it. This for the student. You have already created it. So now all you just need to do is to what, click on what, maybe the term is ending, term ending, term beginning. So you can put, okay, the term is ending. Let's say for example the term is ending, let's say 15th July. You get, so 15th July 2026. And then you have the next term is beginning, let's say 15th September. And then all you just need to do after doing this, that's all. As admin, you just click on export based on what the teachers have entered. You get. So now as the admin, you can see, okay, for this just 2, they have entered English, maths, they have now entered, okay, based on the teacher. So anybody that enter, you just see it here, and you can see the position here. I see what I do. So now, before I export it, I want to show you something that is very, very important, which is the signature. Signatures and settings. So now the signature and settings, all you just need to do is to for the signature and settings, all you just need to do is to put the name of your school, where's the address located as the admin, okay, which ministry, maybe Kogi State Ministry, Abia, River State. You can choose the federal government logo. You can upload your school logo. You just click on choose file and then upload your school logo. And then session, you select the session, right? Select the session. So now this is very, very important. So now, since whatever term and session you do here, it will automatically reflect on the teacher's dashboard. So now, since I put first term, whatever the teacher is entering from their end is going for first term. So for any beginning, like at the beginning of every term, second term, as the admin, you just need to change this one, click on second term, and that's all. Then from the, or you just give the teachers the link, let them enter their details, and then when they enter their details, that's all. So the result will just be there. Then you can be able to, maybe current session, you want to start new academic session, and then score weighing. So now this score weighing, if you look at the score weighing, some schools have their own as 10% CA, 10% continual assessment, 20%. So this 0.2 is 20%, test to 20%. Then senior secondary have a different. Some schools use 5 depending on it. So you can be able to adjust it here. And then you can put the principal name, the form master name, and signature. So all you just need to do after clicking save settings, you get clicking save settings. Always click on save settings, and then you click on what? Go back to result and export. Are we together? Result and what? Export. So now you can see this is the student that I want to do for JS2. So I want to export for JS2. So I'll just click on what? First term, and then click on what? Export. Watch. So now it have already exported. So just within minutes, already done. So most schools, if you can just maybe get a staff that will be helping you doing this, that's all. The teachers will just log in, and when they log in, they see all. There is no stressful. Just enter your details, that's all. Then the admin will just be the one to put everything in order. So now see, this is the result. So you can see it arranged it based on the position automatically. So it usually started first, and then continue second. Automatically arrange it first, and then you can put school fees paid, fees owed. So you can maybe discuss with the financial secretary, and then maybe put this fees owed, and then you can see that has already exported the result. And then all you just need is just to go and print. Maybe you want to print, you print it, and you are done. All you just need to print and then give to the student within, let's say, 20 minutes or less than 20 minutes. You already have your result and everything is ready, instead of the hours, manually entering all those things. So I believe this is, you know, it makes the work much faster and easier. Thank you very much. If you have any question, feel free to ask me, and I'll be so glad to be of great assistance. Thank you so much.